Number 17. Number 17. Good. No good. Rebound by Christian. Christian, bola ka. Christian pa din. Christian dumandag. Pina sa kanya by Pina sa kanya number 17. No good. Rebound by Christian. Basket.
Dala pa mo.
Di ba tayo Pina? Come on. Come on, pass to. Good, tama. Ay. Sorry, malayas pa rin.
Yung score.
Pina sa kalaban. Peyan is 2 points. Take the green. No good. Rebound the ball by Amor. Come on. Pinagis. Hindi na sa ibang bola. Out of bounds.
Good.
Wala.
Amo sila. Mamaya.
Balik ka pa.
Take ball the ball. Number 6, Tabilina. Nagawa ng bola ni Amor. Birit. Nagtang Aralis. Wala pa rin. Yes. Malinyas. Pass to Peyan. Peyan numere. Foul. Number.
Uy, Herb, diyan pa na Herb.
Basket para Peyan.
Sino wala sa atin?
Oops. Warning, number 4, delaying the game. Perfect. No good. Rebound by Christian Awani Amor. Pass to Derek. Bola outside. Inbound the ball. Pass to Shan. Pass to Tobe. Tindihan no good. Rebound by Marinas. Marinas sa galas ng bola. Marinas. Pass to Derek. Pass to Pehan. Pulat cross.
All 8.
Sharp pass to Christian Gray. Pass to Tabelina Bradley. Easy to points. Derek. Pass to Amor. Gagawa ng pangarap. No good. Rebound by Amor. Pass to Marinas. Shot. Easy to points.
Boss, di ako na. Okay.
Pass to Marinas. Pass to Derek.
Sakit nun ah.
Pehan.
Nice one.
Tabelina pass to Chip. Easy to points by Chip. Marinas pass
All
to
12.
Derek gumit na. Easy to points by Derek. Christian pass to Chip. Easy to points by Chip. Amor. Pass to Pegan. Pull up boss. Easy 2 points. Shine. Pass to Christian Gray. Bumalik. Christian Gray pass to Shan. Pass to Chip. Pull up. Pasa. Tabelina. Easy 2 points. Derek. Pass to Amor. Pass to Derek. Part 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Christian Mark Gray. Pass to Tabelina. Pass to Christian. Easy no good. Rebound by Amor. Save by Terry. Nakakuha ni Chantilly. Nakakuha ni Christian Gray. Easy 2 points by Christian Gray. Pegan nagawa pangarap pa. Utas sa basket. Gusto ulit. Number 17, Sean. First, personal foul. Second, team foul. Bonus shot by Pehan. Wala. Nakakuha niya mo. Nakakuha ni Chip.
pass to Tabelia, pass to Chan, pass to Chip, no good, remember to Pegan, pass to Derek pitch shot, Derek, program number now, open with Derek, pass to Hariko, Jama, no good, Hamor, pass to Pean, pass to Hariko, Jama, pull up boss. Pass to Derek for 3 points by Derek.
Todo bigay yun ah. Todo bigay yun ah. Din sila.
Christian Pasto. Chip, Pasto Shan. Pasto. Cavelia, Pasto, Christian Gray. Pull up the Savoni. Outside. Bonadan. Cavelia, Pasto Shan. Pasto Chip. 5 seconds to shoot. Chip, foul, Pean. First, personal foul. First, team foul. Substitution. Palit, Magdalena. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 16 pass to Chip. Chip Umere, easy 2 points. Ivan Boy. Derek, pass to Marinas. Pass to Derek for 3. 3 points by Derek.
Pakitang gilas yung Deret ah.
Number 16 pass to. Number 17 pass to. Chip, Pinil again. Easy 2 points by Chip. Ivan by Derek, pass to Marinas. Pass to Pegan, pull up boss. Easy 2 points by Pegan. Sean, pass to Villaplar, pass to Christian Gray. Offensive foul.
Angat kami kaya.
Ivan sa mag-feet, pass to Marquez. Pass to Pegan. Pass to Marquez. Pass to sa mag-feet, Diaz Agos. No good, rebound by Marquez. No good, rebound by pass to Pegan na Chetney. Villaplar, pass to Chip. Easy 2 points. Sa mag-feet, inbound the ball. Pass to Pegan, pass to sa mag-feet, pass to Pegan, easy 2 points. Ay, no good. Rebound by Chip. Nakuha ni Villaplar. Basic. Easy 2 points. Sa mag-feet for 3. No good. Rebound by Chip. Pass to Villaplar. Pass to Chip. Pass to Bonak. Easy 2 points by Bonak. Marquez! No good! Rebound by Christian Gray. Pass to Villaplar. Basic, no good. Rebound by Dulap. Pass to Pegan. Pass to Marquez, pull up boss. No good. Rebound by Earth. No good. Rebound by Christian Gray. Pass to Bunak. No good. Rebound by Christian Gray. No good.
Nanlalamig pa, nanlalamig.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound by Villaplar. Pass to Bunak. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Villaplar. Pull up cross. Easy 2 points. Inbound by Marquez. Pass to sa bagkit. Pass to Pegan. Pass to Earth. Easy 2 points by Burak. Villaplar. Pass to Bunak. No good. Rebound by Villaplar. Na checking Bunak. Pass to Marquez. Inigot paid na kuha sa bagkit for 3. No good. Rebound by Earth. Pass to sa bagkit. Floaters. 2 points. Bunak. Pass to Chip. Outside substitution. Hamor in. Pegan out. 3. 3 points by Bunak. Sabagkit, Pastor Marquez, Pastor Dula, Pastor Sabagkit takes 3. 3 points by Sabagkit. Imbang by Villaplor, Pastor Bunak. Bunak, Pastor.
All 33, 4 minutes, 56 seconds. First half.
Pastor Sabagkit. Amor, Pastor Amor, isi nagod, nakakuha ni Marquez. Marquez, Pastor Dulap, isi nagod, nakakuha ni Chip.
Umihikot sa ring eh.
Chip, Pastor Villaplor, nagod, rebound by Pastor Marquez, isi 2 points. Chip, isi nagod, rebound by Amor, Pastor Marquez. Marquez. Papa.
Ay, muli na kay.
Hamor, no good again.
Ha?
Nakuha tope.
So, sino?
Pastor Bunak stage 3. No good.
Ay, mo lang muna doon.
Hamor. Pastor Marquez, Pastor Amor, pull up 2. Easy 2 points. Bunak. Easy 2 points by Bunak. Easy 2 points by Earl. Bunak. 2 points by Bunak. Sabagkit, Pastor Marquez, Pastor Amor. Amor, Pastor Sabagkit, it's 3. 3 points by Sabagkit. Bunak, Pastor Villaplor, Pastor Chip. Umera na. Wala na kuha ni Sabagkit, easy 2 points. Bunak, Pastor Villaplor. Villaplor, easy 2 points. Sabagkit, Pastor Marquez. Marquez, easy 2 points by Marquez. Villaplor, Pastor Bunak.
41-46 in favor of Splash Brothers.
Easy 2 points. Inbound by Marquez.
43-46.
Pastor Amor takes 2. Easy. No good. Rebound by Dulap. Chip. Nakakanakuha niya more. Easy 2 points. Bunak. No good. Rebound by Dulap. Dulap plus to Sabagkit. Tinira. Easy 2 points.
43-50
Villaplor pass to Tope.
in favor of Splash Brothers. 1 minute 25 seconds first half.
Number 14 Bunak. First personal foul. Third.
Splash Brothers versus Calle 13.
Marquez pass to Sabagkit. Easy 2 point. And good. Rebound by Chip. Nagalabas ng bola, Chip. Pass to Villaplor. Tumara outside. Substitution. Marquez. Check by Villaplor. Easy 2 points by Villaplor. Amor, pass to Sabagkit. Pass to Amor. Pull up 2. Easy, no good. Rebound by Christian Gray. Next game, Malvisa. Day. First personal foul, third group. Christian Gray, check by Marquez. Bang, bang, bang by Marquez. Easy 2 points. Bunak, 20 seconds. Bunak. Pass to Chi. Easy 2 points by Chi.
Umabot ba? And the first half, 48-55 in favor of the Splash Brothers.
Christian Gray, pass to Tabelina, pull up boss. Double rebound by Pagan, pass to David, no good. No. Basket yan para kay Arvin. Sa bagkit, sa dress. Wala. Rebound the ball by Christian Basket. Pinigay. Nahuli Tabelina. Pass to Christian. Christian lumagay. Tingnan sa Christian. Using the last 2 points. Wow. Sa bagkit to Derek to Marinas. Back to Derek fake. Derek between. Nanadawa ng bola, hindi. Derek pa rin. Pass to Marinas. Corner shot, no good. Rebound by number 17. Sa gitna. Pinagis, wala. Pass to Arvin. Easy 2 points. Sa bakit. Pass to Tayan. Iconic move, no good. Rebound by Christian. Pass to Sean. Sean gumangat, wala. Rebound the ball by Agabans. Black ball. Kaliya 13. Christian pass to Tabelina. Perimeter no good. Rebound by Christian. Pass it yan. All 55 deadlock. Payan, gumangat. Payan, stay ball, Agabans, stay ball. David, pass to sa bagkit, pass to Payan, wala, rebound by, nakawali number 17, pass to Christian, stay ball. Number 6, Tabelina, nagkakasa dress, salat, rebound by, nakawali number, Christian, pass to Tabelina, pass to number 17, send the ball by. Pass it dyan, kaya David.
Visual score.
Official score, 55-57 in favor of Splash Brothers. Arvin, foul, number 11. Sa bagkit, first personal foul, first team foul.
Di abot gag.
Ipis na lang di ba abot? Loko talaga to si Bruce Deret eh.
Perimeter shot, pass it para kay Tabelina. Inbound ball, pass sa bagkit, pass to Marinas.
All 57.
Sa bagkit, hinagis na dress, wala, rebound by Derek, nagawa ni Arvin. Binitaw ka ng bola lang, Splash Brothers. Inbound the ball, Derek pa rin. Pull up J, no good. Rebound the ball by Tabelina pass to Arvin, Umere, wala. Tinapek na ako sa bagkit, sablay. Rebound by number
Number 6, Tabelina, pass to Arvin. Arvin layup, no good. Rebound by Tabelina, kamaldag. Tabelina, bola ka na. Ako na yung 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kami pa Derek. Derek, Christian, dribble the ball. Christian naman, too short. Rebound the ball by number 17, naman. Black ball. Pagsisan po tayo, lalapit sa harap ng comedy. Kapit, pass to number 16, William Long. Basket yan. Derek, dribble the ball. Derek pa din. Nagtangka sa 3. Masyado wala yung ring. Wala pa rin. Basket pa kay number 16. Ipot the ball back. Peyan. Digit pointed. Pass to sa mag-get. Pass to Marinas. Corner shot. 2 points. Bedlock. On 61. Next game, Boss J versus Kalir Rosas. Mag-base na. Paano play? Grabe connection. Basket yan ba kay Peyan? Official score 63-61 in favor of Splash Brothers. Tabelina. Pinasa sa kawalan ng bola at ang pound.
Hold. Hey!
Number 6. Pinasa pala. Bang.
Malapit, abnormal pa din. Sa malayo lang.
Same ball. Kalia 13.
Balik lang, tol.
Kasumbong. Sa bagkit, pinasa gitna. Peyan. Kumantag. Peyan set trip foul. Lavin, number 19.
Takbo!
Tira ko to.
Takbo kayo, tira. Mayayain ka dyan si Kurt, gado.
Edit ko yung dami yung
Shoutout SK Alexis Umampong. Grabe pasturo. Sean. Sa gitna, float game. Basket yan. Change favor. Lamang na ng isang Kalia 13. Rebound number 11 sa bagkit. Pass to Marinas. Pull up James. Basket yan. Piso. William Floor. Pass to number 29 Navin. Wala. Rebound the ball back. Peyan. Nagkaroon ng papasahan. Pass to Marinas. Hihinap. Marinas na binawan. Dawan ni number 16. Pass to number 7. Pass to Arvin. Wala. Arvin, follow up 2 points. Basket. Change favor. Lamang na ng isang Kalia 13. William Floor. Pass to Sean float. Basket yan. Sa bagkit. Float game. Too short. Rebound. Tinapeg na ako ni Peyan. Nagtangka sa 3. Basket. Kakain na number 29.
yung board na gamitin pang gampahin sa huwag mo sirain.
Nakawa si Ari ko dyan.
William Floor.
Parang grabe yun.
Kaliwan ko rin yung natalit yung maklog.
Basket. Bayabin.
At saan po, stab na kayo? Time out na 4, pwede ibenta. Time out daw.
Time out. Splash Brothers. May tigisa na lang na time out. Tamag kabilang team. Number 29 pass to Tabelina. Second. Number, Arvin bumaya, wala. Rebound by Art. Dulak pass to Marquez. Marquez may tangan ng bola. Pinasakay sa bagkit. Good game. Pass na dyan. May kasama 2 points. Villabor pass sa gitna. Pass sa Tupe. Binitawan ng bola. Nako ni Marquez. Marquez pass to sa bagkit. Lumapit ng konti. Too short. Pinalap niya. Basket yan. 1 point lead. Pressure team mga Kalye 13. Villabor sa gitna. Villabor pa rin. Pina sa kanila kay Arvin. Arvin ng mga sa blind para basket. Number, pass to Derek, bola, nakuli, out of bounds, same ball.
Isang minuto ka na lang, bilisan galingan mo.
Sa bagkit, Derek, sa dress, wala.
Ay, balato.
Marquez, pass to, sa bagkit, Marquez to, sa bagkit, takes a drink, not good. Rebound by Tupe, pass to Villabor, pass to Tabelina, takes a drink. Pass the rest. Marquez, pass to Derek, Durante, wala. Rebound by Arvin, pass to Villabor, Packet, Sinister. Low. Tabelina, pass to Villabor, pass to Arvin to Tabelina. To Arvin takes a three. No good. For the ball by Marquez. Marquez pa rin. Umere. Basket para kay Marquez. Out of bounds. God damn. Number 9.
80-76 in favor of Kalye 13.
Habor, pass to Marquez. Basket para sa bukit. Ganda na pagka-steal. Basket. 2-point lead.
82-80. Lamang ng dalawa, Kalye 13.
Hello. Wala. Dulak. Pass to Marquez. Sa bukit. Marquez. Pull up J. Kita pass to Villabor. Pass to Tupe sa gitna. Wala. Di pa pa Hamor. Nilabasan bola. Pass to Marquez. Pass to sa bagkit. Corner. Wala pa rin. Di pa ball kaya Arvin nilabasan bola. Arvin pa rin. In and out. Pass to number 16. Beliador. Not good. Rebound follow. Basket para kay Arvin. Foul. Tabelina stop. TV zone. First personal foul. 13 foul. Hamor. Pass to Marquez. Binato kay Hamor sa dress. Too short. Sa bagkit. Piso. Basket. Balawan na lang ang lamang ng Kalye 13. Number 29 Arvin. Pass to Tuber. Steal the ball by Marquez. Pass. Wow! Sa basket. Para kay Dulak. Foul red number 7. Second. Number 23 second. Personal foul. 14 foul. Bonus shot. Ay, Dulak.
All lang, all.
All 85. Ay, hindi. 85-84. Real Favorite. Smash Brothers. Bunak. Layup. Wala. Tapik na. Nili. Durmaida. Bigay kay Marquez. Marquez. Pass through. Wala pa rin. Tinapik na ako ni Villaflor. Releasing the glass na go. Dito the ball by Christian mga sablay. Tapik na ako ni Sabagkit pick. Plus about checks. Tinubal ka Bunak. Inagawan din hindi. Bunak inagis. Basket yan.
Biyahe ako bagong init sa base.
Marquez. May tanga ng bola.
86-87. Lamang ng isa is Plus Brothers.
Sabagkit. Foul. Ay, defensive foul na para kay Sabagkit. Masyado malakas. Sino sa madong? Target foul. Marquez. Who's foul left? 29. Third personal foul to Chico. In favor of That's brother. Sablay ang ibang ni Christian. Nagharap na babasan. Pass to number 14 Buna. Pass to number 29 Narvik. Arbit. Nagawon. Nakawali sa Tugkit. Pass to Marquez. Pinilingin Dula. Ano ba? Sige.
Kaya more. Nabulol na yung announcer.
Christian. Pass to Burak sa dress. Ricky 2 points. Sabagkit. Wata. Isang kabal. Bye. Kahulog. Bigay kaya mo. Hamir. Basket.
Last stop, 5 minutes. 88-93. In favor of his Plus Brothers.
Basket para kay Arbit.
90-93.
Warning for delay in the game. After 4 minutes. Constitution. Tinig lang. Low.
Tira mo na yun.
Tira! Putang ina yan.
Tang!
Ito malapit, malayo.
Pass to Christian. Pass to Bunak. Mabitawan ang bola. Bunak hinagis kay Sean.
Ay, di ka lalabas ha?
Sean. Pass to Bunak. Tantanang pasa. Wala. Babay Christian nalulog. Hindi ba ito Marquez ang bola. Marquez inagawan. Nagawan nila. Number 17. Wala. Babay Bunak. Wesley. Basket run. Come on, foul, number. Sino? First personal foul, warning for penalty. Second personal foul na pala. Low. Burak, Tezadin, Nogo, dipasang.
Nice, Herb.
Hindi ko makita.
Agaw.
Christian Bass, Bula. Panigat, basket.
Manigat to, ipanta.
Simang yan, simang.
Number 16, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to the kid to Amor to Marquez, shot. 2 points.
2 minutes 35 seconds, 94-102 in favor of Splash Brothers.
Number 17, reverse, 2 points.
Matagal pa yun, 2 minutes. Matagal yun, stop.
Sabagtoy, pass to Marquez.
Sabagtoy.
Pinigay kay Sabagtoy. Tumire, Pichoy. No. Substitution.
Lagi si Wong talaga.
Hindi na kayo.
Penalty. Basket para kayo.
May hindi na ba? Ano mo pasapaw ka? Hindi na ba diinan no? Hindi na pang stop time.
May laro pa sa ibang lugar din.
Marquez. Magkano yung tatlo, Marquez?
Kapoy yan, mamaya kapoy. Yopak. Yopak sa akin.
Magkano yung shirt mo, Marquez? Ano yung hamburger?
Nice pass.
Basic shirt yan ah.
Lalabos.
Depensa, putang ina mo!
Next game, Boss J versus Tyler Rosas. Must watch, dikdigan ng laban.
100-108 in favor of Splash Brothers. Last half, 1 minute.
Marquez, pass to Sabagkit, 5, 10, 8, 5 to shoot. Basket, 43 seconds, pointer, remaining. 14 seconds. Foul, Villapor. First personal foul, penalty. Walang free throw. Wala. 31, 30 seconds.
Nakalaban niya.
Congrats, Splash Brothers.